What's up guys, I'm back and I have a few more products. So right here I have an ankle brace from Crucial Compression. I also have knee brace from Crucial Compression as well. And I reached out to them the other day asking if I could test some of their products. Because as you guys know, I have a lot of problems on the left side of my body. As I'm rehabbing, as I'm training, especially as I'm training, I need some sort of reinforcement. So I wanted to get an ankle brace and they were kind enough to send me one to allow me to do like a review of it. So I'm going to test them in the best way you could possibly test them, and that's by doing flips in them. There are a few things I'm going to pay attention to. One is stability and reinforcement. So when you get an ankle brace or a knee brace, you're expecting it to provide some sort of stability to the joint and muscles around that area to keep you kind of strong and reinforced while you're training, so you don't get hurt again while you're trying to get better. So that is the main key part I want to test, see how it holds up while I'm training. And then I also want to test it for mobility. So I think the perfect ankle brace or knee brace would not have any sort of like feeling that it's there. So I want to see if it hinders my motion, how much it feels like it's there. And I want to see if it's actually, plausible to use in long-term training, or if I use it often, see how it holds up in those sort of situations. All right, I'm back. What's up guys? Hopefully you got through the meat of that kind of training part. But yeah, initial impressions on the ankle brace and the knee brace, I actually find them to be like quite comfortable. I was a little concerned about the ankle brace because it covers your entire heel, whereas the ankle braces I'm kind of used to, they kind of cut off at the heel, allowing for more room and mobility. But I think the reason why this company, Crucial Compression, decided to cover the heel as well was to give it a little more support and stability. And I certainly felt that when I was training. I hope you guys could tell. It provided a lot of support for my ankle. And the knee brace, I was actually really impressed with, because the knee brace felt like it just slipped on perfectly, and it provided enough support for me to hold itself well. So if you guys are looking for a knee or ankle brace, I don't think you can go wrong with these ones. Of course, there are a lot of ankle brace and knee brace brand companies out there. I feel like most of them in general get the job done, and then it kind of just comes down to the aesthetics and stuff and whatever you're looking like you want to wear. But I was quite pleased with these two products. I feel like they provided enough support and enough mobility to do like higher level flips and combos and things that I needed to get done. Overall, a solid product, useful product, and yeah, I think I could recommend it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video.